Are you down for this? If you're in the mood, we can take it to the moon. Just like a movie scene, table for two. No need to be fed, I want you instead.
So before we proceed at the importance of ICT and multimedia, firstly, we're going to talk about is what is ICT? So what is ICT? ICT, or Information and Communication Technology, refers to the use of digital tools, networks, and systems to store, process, and share information. It includes computers, software, the internet telecommunications, and data management technologies. ICT enhance communication, education, business, healthcare, and various industries by enabling faster and more efficient information exchange. It plays a role in automation, digital transformation, and global connectivity, driving innovation and economic growth. As technology evolves, ICT continues to shape modern society, making life more convenient, productive, and interconnected. What is multimedia? Multimedia refers to the integration of different forms of content such as text, image, audio, and animations to enhance communication and engagement. It is widely used in information exchange, for education, entertainment, business, and digital media to create interactive and immersive experience. Multimedia makes learning more engaging, improves marketing through visual storytelling, and enhance user storytelling and experience in website, games, and virtual reality. It plays a crucial role in modern communication by making information more appealing, accessible, and effective across various platforms. What is the benefits or importance of ICT, or Information Communication Technology? Firstly is enhanced communication. Second, improve education. 3 is boosting business efficiency. 4, facilitating healthcare. 5, advancing research and science studies. Multimedia is important, or it benefits education and learning, entertainment, business and marketing, communication, and science and research. That's all. Thank you.